In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the heat map on Tradingview. Think of the heat map as a quick visual snapshot of market behavior, designed to help you spot what's moving and where attention is flowing. We'll go from getting it open to reading it with confidence. And I'll share simple tips to make it work for your style. To access it, head to the top menu bar and hover over Screeners. From there, choose either the stock heat map or the crypto heat map, depending on what you are tracking. This opens a grid of colored boxes representing individual assets. It's a performance board at a glance, with colors telling the story of movement. Before we dive into colors, customize the universe you are looking at. In the top left corner, use the drop-down to change the source index. If you are focused on large-cap US stocks, choose something like the S&P 500. If you want more growth names, switch to NASDAQ. Picking the right source keeps the view relevant and avoids noise. Next, narrow it down with filters. You can filter by sector to home in on industries, like technology, healthcare, or energy. You can also filter by market cap to focus on bigger, more liquid names, or by price and volume to find actively traded setups. Filters are your best friend. Use them to align the heat map with your watch list or strategy. If your screen gets too sparse, relax a filter or two to bring more names back into view. Now, interpret the colors. Bright green means strong upward movement, while bright red means strong downward movement. Darker shades, both green and red, suggest slower, more stable moves. This color scale lets you spot extremes instantly. A cluster of bright green in one corner, that's momentum. A patch of red across a segment, that's pressure. The heat map also groups companies by sector, so you can see sector-wide trends immediately. This makes it easy to identify themes, like technology leading while energy lags, or healthcare turning mixed. It's a fast way to understand where strengths and weakness are concentrated. When something catches your eye, click on the box. That opens more detail about the asset or takes you straight to its chart for deeper analysis. From there, you can check price structure, volume, and key levels to decide whether it deserves a place on your radar. Use this workflow regularly. Choose the right index. Apply targeted filters, read the color story, identify sector trends, and click through for charts. With a little practice, the heat map becomes a powerful, time-saving lens on the market.